Rory is home and recovering from his bladder crystals. He spent over 30 hours at the vet recently. Show them your scar. Not a scar. He has a shaved leg from his IV. I don't know if you can see it. He's in a weird position. But hearing him purr at least means that he's feeling a lot better now. Aren't ya? He's on a special diet and medication. Feeling pretty good right now. First time out on the catio since he's been home. Just checking things out, making sure nothing changed. What about you? Are you trying to go out there too? You guys like going out the lazy way lately. You like going out the lazy way lately. Well, go out then if you're going. Looks like he's got a chunk missing. You can tell when Rory's like feeling pretty good because he gets all happy and he loves singing. Watch this.
You better not shout, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He knows when you are healthy, he knows when you are sick. He knows when you've been better, good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better not pout, you better not cry, you better not shout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
How's that? You like being serenaded? Because you're purring. You're purring now. I think you like my singing. You're probably the only one. Thank you.
He's making a list, he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out which one of you are naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to the camper.
I need to go get groceries. Yep. I may as well start the car now because probably gonna take a good 20 minutes for this frost build up to... Oh, actually it's not that bad. Getting some solar. My snow's starting to slide off the roof there. Nice day. Weather station's been working fine again. Signal's been really good. I'd swapped out the batteries and reset everything. So far, it's been working like normal again. Turning my diesel heater on because when I got home from work, there was an error 06 again, a fan error. So when I set the timer, it didn't come on. Without clearing the error, I just hit the power button and now it looks like it's going to start, so we'll see. I mean, it's heating up. Very weird. That's happened twice now. Good thing it's not crazy cold outside because my fire's definitely out. Fan's almost done spinning. 16 in here, was 17 when I got home. It's not too bad, but I mean, if it were freezing, I wouldn't be impressed to come home to, you know, my diesel heater not working. It's acting like it's gonna start though. So I can hear the pump kicking on. It is going to start for me, but that is something I'll have to investigate. Not sure why I'm getting an error. Yeah, it's full on working now. Running as it should, so someday, whenever I have time in the future, I might have to take my diesel heater apart and just check the fan. Well, that's an interesting way to drink your water, Ramsay. I guess that's why there's always a mess of water all over your placemat. Yeah, that way makes more sense. Yeah. It is 7 a.m. Really windy outside. 9 degrees, 26 in here. I'm letting the fire go out because, yeah, it's going to get warmer than that even on December 18th. And Mr. Ramsay, I don't know if you can see him or not,
He's just chilling out on the catio, listening to the wind and enjoying the mild weather. You having fun out there? Waiting. Oh, what the heck was that? Oh! Sheesh.
Wow, it's pretty windy out there and also rainy. No sun, so my batteries were at 12.1. I'm just giving them a charge. I'm trying to get them up to 100%. That's why I've got the generator running and the charger on the batteries. At the same time, I'm charging up the power station, getting that to 100%. Then once this is charged, I'm gonna fire up the vacuum cleaner since the generator's running, and I'm gonna vacuum your dirty cat tree. Yep. Also, while the batteries are charging, so is the power station, I'm just baking up some chicken strips because, you know, sometimes I cook and sometimes I get lazy, and I'm hungry for some lunch, and right now I'm not lazy, but I'm doing other things, doing too many things at once. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's a yummy lunch at 2:30 in the afternoon. Yep. I'm doing a few things at once. Can you tell? I've got all the clothes pulled out except for this closet because I've already cleaned all that. I'm washing down all of the walls in the bedroom because I need to do a deep clean. It's just been too bad for too long. I am going to be washing the curtains. I pulled all the clothes out of the cupboard. I did not have a problem with mold in those cupboards because I always leave a door open. I did have a problem in this closet here because there was stuff pushed at the back. I don't know what you can see, but that is definitely mold in the corner. I've got to wash that down. I do leave the doors ajar so that the heat can get in there. But if you've got anything that goes in the back wall and it just kind of gets trapped, yeah, you're going to get mold. That's disgusting. I just shut off the generator. We're sitting at 13 right now. Check that out, December 18th, 12 degrees outside because we are having some crazy wind and rainstorm. It's too warm. It's too warm outside for the wood stove, so I have the buddy heater on low pretty much until I go to bed, and then I'll shut it off. But it's actually a really good thing because it's bringing the humidity back up here. I mean, the last I checked with the wood stove going, it was like 12%, so we're at 53. Very humid outside. You hear that wind or what? Ooh, basically pull the door away from me. Jeez. Aren't you glad you're not a free kitty? You got litter or something on your nose there. Oh, thanks. Thank you. Aren't you glad you're not a free kitty? Out in that crazy wind and rain? It wouldn't be a nice night for that. Rory's out on the catio. There's no wind now. It went from crazy, crazy wind last night to none. What do we got? 12.7 on the batteries. Do a little inspection. My chair's flipped over. Other than that, no real damage. My jerry cans flew out of the housing. They're empty. Are you enjoying this out here? Getting some fresh air? Feeling better these days? No more urinary issues? That's good. Got the buddy heater rolling again this morning. When I woke up, you know, it was 7 degrees. It was a little chillier. It was actually 12 in here when I woke up. But it was warm in the bed, those fleece sheets, I'm telling you. But I'm not going to get a fire going because it's going back up to 12 or 13 today. So, yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Here's an easy way to tell how much propane you have left in your tank. Okay, well, ignore the messy bed because there's cats laying all over it all the time. But that feels pretty good. I've got a bunch of clothes cleared out of the closets and the cupboards. I completely washed down all the walls in here, did a deep clean, hand washed all the curtains, so they're all nice and clean. Oh, it feels so much better. Now I just have to do the rest of the place. Yeah, because the rest of the place feels kind of gross. How's your little... better? Your hair's starting to grow back. That's good. And yes, I leave some of the cupboard doors, closet doors ajar, so to help try and minimize the mold thing. Plus, your stuff gets freezing when this is closed off in winter. Ramsay, I got you a staircase. I got you a staircase, man. What do you think of that? What do you think of that? I got you a staircase, so now, look, come up. I know, it might be a little ridiculous, but I found this at Value Village. If you don't know what Value Village is, it's kind of like a thrift store. I thought it was a pretty cool find. Right now he's more focused on, me feeding him because I just got home from work, but I mean, how perfect is this? It's a staircase, but also it's storage. I can put things in here. Under every step is storage. I might keep it here. I just know there's going to be a lot of toe banging going on here. Toe stumping. I meant toe stumping. Anyway, that just sounded weird. If I can avoid stubbing my toes on this, then that's a pretty good spot for it because he'll be able to get up onto the bed, and I have a bunch of things here that I don't have a place for, so they can all go in here and live in there. Do need to clean that though. It came right from the thrift store. Yeah. Don't know if this is going to fit in here though. Well, it might actually fit in this top part. Maybe not. Nope. Okay. The pump is a no-go, but that's okay. Put that in there. What else do we got here? Put that in there. Perfect. More storage. Who doesn't like storage? This is not gonna fit. There, Ramsay. You even have grips. Perfect. I do love me a good thrift store find. But Rory, you're not going to use that staircase, are you? You like jumping. You'll probably jump right over this thing. You'll probably jump right over this thing. Whew! It's warm on the butt. Well, that's a good stack of wood. Nice little tower there. That should definitely last tonight, maybe even tomorrow night. And now part of the evening routine you don't want to see. Ramsay definitely didn't use the staircase to get off the bed. I just watched him jump off the other side, and now he doesn't really know how to get around it. You're gonna have to learn, buddy. It would be so much easier if you just used that staircase to get on and off the bed. See? See? It's easier. Oh, okay. Gotta dump my water outside because I'm winterized. Can't dump it down the sink. Definitely isn't cold in here. One thing I haven't been doing lately is setting the diesel heater or using it at all. So I'm actually going to just try turning it on. Wait a minute. Why does the time say 1:55? What in the world? Okay, first of all, let's set that. Actually, it's army time, right? So 7/7/19. Ah! What the heck? $19.56. I don't know why, but my diesel heater code, whoops, to switch anything is 1688. Makes you do it twice. Tries to make you do it 3 times, but you just hit okay, okay, okay. 7:56. I'm just gonna see if it'll turn on for me, because lately I've been getting a fan error. It's been giving me error code 6, so let's just see if it's gonna actually work. Look at that! Error code 6. Right away. When this happened before, when I had my diesel heater set to come on while I was at work, and I came home to the error, and then I turned it on and it came on, so no, it just will not work this time. That was 3 times. That sucks. I came out here and pulled this off thinking the fan was literally just right here for me to access, but no, it's looking like I might have to take this thing apart, I guess, and get in there. Won't happen tonight. We're working in the dark here. Actually, it didn't sound that bad that time, but the wind is almost as bad as it was the other day when we had a windstorm. The catio door was swaying, so I closed it. Whoops. Yes, I closed it. I mean, I don't think the cats want to be out in this anyway, but there was way too much cold air coming in through here, so we just do this on those days. Yep. So today you're trapped inside. I'm sorry, but I don't think you'd want to be out there in that wind anyway, right? Right? Are you trying to be a ham? How come you haven't gone up your stairs yet? Oh, wow. Just wanting to close out this video, little bit of a smorgasbord video, honestly. Smorgasbord. Anyway, random clips of videos taken throughout the week. Happens sometimes because I am a working woman. Just a little stocking stuffer for you. Anyway, speaking of work, I'm on my way out the door to head there right now. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Also, if you celebrate, happy holidays. Stay safe. Ramsay. Ramsay? Ramsay, do you want to say Merry Christmas? You think Santa Paws is going to come visit you? Have you been a good boy? Have you been a good boy this year? I think you have. I think Santa Paws is going to come and bring you some treats or some catnip.